Understanding the phrase, changing spots, an English language lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, changing spots. This phrase is often used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, changing spots, is often used in the context of discussing change, especially in terms of personal characteristics or behavior. It's derived from the longer saying, a leopard can't change its spots. This proverb is based on the idea that leopards have a distinctive pattern of spots that is unique and unchangeable, much like inherent characteristics in people. The phrase, can't change its spots, implies that it is impossible for someone to change their innate nature. For example, if someone is known for being dishonest, the phrase suggests that they will always be dishonest, regardless of their efforts to change. It's often used in a skeptical or cynical context. Let's look at some examples. 1. Even though he promised to be more responsible, I doubt he can change his spots. 2. She's been a competitive person all her life. A leopard can't change its spots. These examples show how the phrase is used to express doubt about someone's ability to change their fundamental nature. Sometimes, people might misunderstand this phrase as referring to physical changes, but it's important to remember that it's about character or behavior. It's also used metaphorically, not literally. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, changing spots, or, a leopard can't change its spots. Remember, it's all about the idea that fundamental aspects of a person's character are difficult, if not impossible, to change. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.